Hello everyone, this is Sharda from GoEdu Hub Technologies, and now what we are going to study about the hottest topic, like difference between the image processing and computer vision. Like both the terms are used interchangeably in the many context. So you should know what is the computer vision and what is the image processing. How image processing and computer vision linked to each other and how they are different. Okay, so first of all, I'll tell you about the image processing and then we will move towards the computer vision. So now let's clear the biggest confusion between image processing and computer vision. Okay, so first of all, what is the image processing? Image processing is a method of performing some operations on image. What does it mean? It means we are basically focused on processing of images. It will take an image as an input and it will do some transformation over that image and then it will provide you the output. Basically, it will transform the image and it will provide you, it will process different things like color changing, swapping of the pixels, contrasting, playing with the brightness, smoothing, sharpening, and some other properties. Like we can highlight the edges and we can do the smoothing of the image. All these works we can do with the help of image processing. Basically, as I already told you, we are taking an image, we will perform some transformation and then we will get a output image. Right? And the real-time example you can take the image processing is like you are using in your day-to-day life in smartphones. Like after clicking a picture, what the smartphones do? Smartphones use image processing algorithms to generate a visually appealing pictures. The algorithm adjusts exposure, contrast, highlights, shadow, and many other properties of an image. And here we have also taken one example, like this is the original image and then we have transformed with the help of image processing. We have detected the edges in the output image. So this is the basically image processing field. Now come to the second term. What is the basically computer vision? And then we will talk about the interrelation of image processing and computer vision. So what is the computer vision? Now everywhere you are hearing about the computer vision. It is the first advanced technology nowadays that plays a crucial part in the artificial intelligence. It mainly focuses on making sense of what a machine sees. Like what is the first thing comes to everybody's mind is it is just like the human visual system. It will work just like the human visual system. Like whatever we can do with the help of our eyes and brain, the computer vision can do that. Then how can it perform? Computer vision is a technology that is mainly focused on extracting the information from the input images or videos. Basically what happens here? We will take an image as an input and then we will extract some information from that image or from video. Basically what is the input? Here input is our image and what difference here? The output. Output would be the knowledge of the scene or like we can recognize objects, people, activity happening there, or we can find the distance of the objects from the camera and like we can do the other example like handwriting recognition, all these things. So how we are getting this knowledge of the scene? Through some methods like image processing, like machine learning. We can use these methods in the computer vision. So I can define like image processing is a subset of computer vision. Right? Computer vision is a broader domain and image processing is a subpart of that domain. And in other words, I can say the computer vision, an image and video is taken as input, and then goal is to understand like some inference from that image and its content. Okay, so this is the basically you can define the computer vision. Now we can see the different examples. I think most of you already know different examples of the computer vision. I can give you one more. Like here we have taken an image, and through the computer vision, what we have done, we have detected the objects. Like this is the person, chair and bat. So we got the object labels here. Okay, so now you can say the image processing is one of the method that is used for the computer vision along with the other machine learning algorithms like CNN, etc. Right? So guys, don't get confused, and you can draw the diagram like this. Computer vision is a separate field and image processing is a separate field. Okay, and now come to the similarities. What are the similarities to both fields? Computer vision and image processing can work together in many cases, and even in the most of the applications, we are working with the help of both of them. Many computer vision system relies on the image processing algorithms. Like we are taking one example of CNN. CNN, what is the CNN? It is a type of neural network, convolutional neural network. In short, we call it CNN, can be considered as some sort of adaptive image processing. CNNs take generally image as input and process them in a way that makes it possible to accomplish a certain computer vision task. Such as, you can take an example like image recognition. So basically, CNNs take a image as an input, and then it will do some sort of processing, and then it will give you some output as a computer vision task. CNN do a great job at vision. It's not only CNN working on the images, they can work over the vision and audio and even natural language processing applications also. So I can say like these both fields are interrelated. They have lots of similarities and people are using them interchangeably. But basically these are the, you should know the basic difference between image processing and computer vision. Okay guys. So alright, I think that's all for this topic. I hope you liked it. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you have any question or any recommendation for next upcoming videos, let me know in the comment section, and subscribe for more videos. As always, thank you for the watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next time.